Bafethu.
Hola.
We back. Udistro. Manje yathatha hiatus. Kodwa sebebuyile ke manje. Bethule. Yeah, sebebuyile manje. Shout out my gang. Ngiyabona it's a second video in a short space of time, so consistency is key. See.
Okay, guys. When I am now, this is what being a YouTuber looks like in South Africa, bro. For sure, it's pony. I have to eat because after this, I'm going to go train. So I'm waiting for more on the base with Sani.
What does YouTube have to do with this? What's going on? What's your forgetfulness have to do with YouTube? What's going on?
Pull up, he pulls up, get 1, 2, 3 takes for you guys, and then I'm set. I can go after that, bro.
Turn me up, Mar.
Brother, you good? It's alongside So it's out of 2 or best out of 3. So whoever gets, we're gonna do a best out of 3. Best out of 2 or best out of 3. So whoever gets more numbers, we're gonna give them 50 rand. So they win like that. Now we're moving to the challenge. Just leave your name in the description. Leave your IG. If you live in the Durban area, contact us, bro. We get it going.
In the meantime.
Yo! What's up with this guy? Where's the guy? Lumjita on the phone.
You taking a selfie?
Deadline.
My sister.
Focus on one, boy. Focus on one.
Yeah. But look at ngidlula la yazi.
Oh, my pussy is dry as fuck, my dude. You sitting here, my vagina is dry.
Yazi, ungalibele uxoxa intombi Nkosi yami.
Ngihleli. Ase
Shit is drier than nuns cunt.
Angalokho ngincoma ngenhliziyo. Angize ngizonqoma nje straight because ekufuleni kwami ngifundiswa ukuthi
Ukhuluma nobani?
iyanqoma.
I don't know. Neither do they.
As I told to my sister.
Oh! That is some creepy shit. I'm not even a woman, but
No.
even I'm scared.
I don't get it. Look, shooter now.
Angithi i-iPhone le. Yeah, ngiyaxolisa ukuphazamisa kodwa ngicela ungishuthi. Ngifuna isithombe ngigqoke lesi sigqoko lesi.
Ufuna ukumazi, ufuna ukushutha.
Kahle kahle bengizocela isithombe vele kodwa ngase ngiqala ekunqomeni because vele nibahle.
Yo.
Second my sister. Ish. My sister, ushuthi iPhone yakho ngiyacela. Angikuphapheli ukuthi ngifuna isithombe engizopost ngihlale ngibahlupha akusenini lokuqala. Kodwa sengizoyithenga ifoni nami sengizolunga.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngizoma elangeni
Yo,
lapha.
wanonya kulosisi.
Akanonya. Uyamsukela.
Look at her face.
Ngoba amasimba lento eyikhulumayo. What was that? Ngithe ukufuna ukuza la ngizokuncoma ukuthi umuhle. Ngicela ukushutha nawe. Ngicela ungishuthe. Nibahle. Ngicela ukunazi. Which one is it?
Look at her face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Ngizoma elangeni lapha.
Football.
Yeah, ufull owodwa no half owodwa.
Yabona lento leyo ukuthi ucela kushuthe. That's fucking genius.
Right next to her, there's like a camera guy.
No, but lento, no, that's genius. Like, as
Yeah, but
let's
if I
say,
was
as a
there-
strategy,
if I was-
right?
Yeah.
You're expecting a lot. But what I'm saying, lento lokuthi ucela ungishuthe. That's smart. But ungafiki ukhulume lamasimba lawa amanye
Yeah,
wakhulumile.
but what's the angle? What's the angle?
I got her to do
Is it to isolate herself from the friend?
no. I got her to do something like without her getting anything out of it. Laphi singasuka ke. Shama pose from pose to positions uyayibo iyahamba ntwana yami iyahamba.
Vivid.
Yeah. Sazihle. Kodwa kwa Vivid angwazi my sister sengiyavuma nje ngoba. Sazihle. Sengipho. Oh, ngizoloku ngayo. Angazi noma. Ngikubizela inamba yami. Uhlala my sister.
I'm sorry.
That's creepy.
Safari.
Oh, bezicela ukufakela eyami.
No, what mission is impossible?
Ngulungisani. Ngizela ukuthi
Okay, guys, we all know a win is a win. A win is a win. We got the number, but
Are we picking up girls or are we trying to get their number by all means? I'm confused, man.
You're getting their numbers by all means.
Okay.
I had to tell him
Creep games.
manje bafo iqonde ngqo manje. Iqonde ngqo inkulumo nomonde naye ngamtshela, yabo. Ukuze kuzoshuba ngempela hayi manje kucaca insizwa ngempela.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
sanibona. Njani saphela. Ngiyaxolisa onphazamile.
Oh, good.
Siphokazi, alright. Man, my sister, bo, ngize kwena. Uyazi ngize ngani. Azamothi my sister. Bengilokho ngikubuka ngilokho ngidlula la.
Okay,
Decide ukuthi angalokho ngikunqoba ngenhliziyo angizokutshela straight ukuthi umuhle. Uyabona. Ngizacela lobuhle bakho my sister ngingakugcineli la. Ngigcine kwi-data.
Be careful for what you wish for.
Man, my sister, bo my sister. Ngiyacela. Into like ngifuna ukhuluma mhlambe.
Hi man, this is really on a sick perv. Who's editing these videos?
Yeah, it's a mhlophe.
Fihla ngejim la. Khohla ke.
Ukhuluma mhlambe izinto ukubuka nje ulobuhle bakho my sister nalesi sima sakho esihle kanje my sister. Kwazi wamuntu. Man, my sister.
Hi, bo.
She gave you a chance. Come on, let's see. Wonke lamajida waqondi.
Manje ngiyahamba bafethu ngihamba ngatholanga intombi la ikhizithe.
Yo.
Ngibona intombi ezinhle.
I hate when the one you don't want answers. I hate that shit.
Uphuma mina. Hayi bo, ngisikhona sisabhekene naye.
Ukhombusi lo. Ayindoda.
Nangu mina.
Abandana bekala ngalokho ikhonje. Yazi ufike nje uSamaria. Bolunga.
Nasi ngikho.
Afaka kithi tshabani.
Senzani?
Sani.
Kulungile. Mina ngibheka ngike.
Angani?
Emile emifuku yoba. Namba yakho.
Sila sempethe intombi.
Sifingeke.
Nibahle kanje.
Ukubiza 063.
Angisofika ngizoyilanda intombi yami.
Alright, ukaya bekuphi uhlanga sekusini.
Ngihlanga sibenza. Mude. Hayi ngizofika ngicoshe iphone number.
Write down.
Denzel and I'm gone. That's a great friend.
This is why you must have grenades. Oh, this man is having a hard day.
Don't ask stupid questions.
Ngizocela inamba yakho kahle kahle my sister. Wena impela my sister. Indaba my sister. Indaba angizokuyithola.
Stop saying my sister. My sister is trying.
My sister bengisafuna ukuyicela inamba yakho. Cela ulinde ngiyicela ngiyacela.
Kanti utheni?
Oh akunankinga
Uthe no slang. Uthe Fusek.
Kodwa ngiyajabula
Uthe no
ukunibona
Fusek.
kanje.
Uthe Fusek.
What is this slang?
Cela ulinde ngiyicela ngiyacela. Oh akunankinga my sister umunye uzonginika. Kodwa ngiyajabula ukunibona nibahle kanje.
Uyajabula?
Ngiyabonga nami.
Jujulisa yini?
Nibe right neza. Kodwa my sister
Yo.
at least.
0 at least.
Waqalaza ifoni yami engazuthi ulindele i-iPhone my sister.
Bro, why ikhlana? Why are we projecting insecurities? Fuck this guy. Kwenzekani?
Good guy.
Umjida ngathi usidingela u50 rand.
Abo my sister uzama ungiphoxa yini my sister. Because ngizocela kahle inamba yakho. Kodwa ngifuna ukutshela and stuff. Ngifuna lobuhle bakho ukungabugcini la ngibugcine boma status nasefonini yakho. Ngiyakubangela istress my sister ngihamba. Uyacela my sister ayikho inkinga ube right as uqhubeke ube muhle.
As opposed to what?
Live right now too.
Kuni never ebe ebong.
Umntwana wakho but
Skip.
Okay, next time.
Okay, guys, just to brighten up the mood a little bit, while we're waiting for Ulung Sani to come out of his lecture, me and the cameraman decided to just play with some things a little bit. So I'm putting this shot in because I feel like it encompasses everything that I'm trying to like influence you guys on about gym, self-improvements and all that stuff.
Motherfucker, we're not here for red pill content.
Up to hype. Everyone that like,
fuck red pill, bro.
That's English, Mumbo.
No, phela kuhle besinalezi zinto lezi eziphethe about no, not like that, but like, you know, ukuze bese ube nalomsoco lo ama African queens. You know what I mean? Liphe lakho bese. I just think you guys are pretty without saying a lot. I just want to get your number. All of you guys are pretty, but I'd like to get my sister's number.
My sister
Talk too much. I don't want to fumble my words.
Good sister.
Wait, I'm going to get my girlfriend, my future girlfriend. That's what you want me to say.
That's too
Alright, something about this.
I haven't seen the face.
I just want you to win the
Not even, but boy, ngoba ngizokutext. It's not right here. I'll text you for real, bro. Sure.
Angazi ukuthi ngithi game or she was a great sport, but yeah. Shit.
Okay, guys, I know this video is mainly about the good.
Sorry. Ngiyadabulisa uqomile.
Ngenze njani?
Uqomile.
Ngabe ngiyadabulisa.
Yeah. Would you be happy?
Kanjani?
Yini ukugoma kanti vele?
Gqoma yini? Ugqoma ini? Cha ngiyabuza. Ugqoma yini?
Yini ukugoma?
Ugqoma. Ugqoma.
Yini ukugoma? Explain it to me.
Ugqoma. Mhlambe complete welile. Uthole something. Wena wazi ukuthi yini ugqoma?
Ayisho ukuthi sasifunda isiZulu esingafani futhi lezi. Baye sibongisako. Mina ngakuthi ukugoma bese is like ukushayeka ngekhaya.
Phela ngale okay sindekanje. Ayi uyazi ukushayiseka lokho.
Ukugoma bese phela ngokwase Actually, I don't want to.
Guys, I'm sitting here like, what's going on? Ugqeba.
You had to fail the question that I asked you. But I'd like to get your number, please, and text you.
After all that stupid.
Why not? No, but so when I was moving ungangiphenduli.
Esizolo ngiphatheka kabi usasaphendulanga.
Ngiphatheka kabi uzongibloka.
Hayi ngiyaloka ngifanga.
Angiyakutshela mina ukuthi it's okay.
Nami ngiyafisa ngifike ngifike lapho.
That's what it is. Huh? It's fine. Alright, so I'm behind
Don't you do the same we need. You just have to state your intentions. No
Yeah, move me, son. Get it. 18. Move me, son.
Ngiyamphinda futhi.
Ngixolise ukuniphazamisa lidla kuyekuthe umuntu angaphazanyiswa usetafuleni. Kodwa ningixolele ngishawa isikhathi akusiphuthaleni kodwa lelo. Ngulungisani mina igama lami. Bengilokho nginibuka bo my sister indlela enibahle ngayo. Ngase ngikhetha ukuthi hayi angalokho ngincoma ngenhliziyo angivele ngizontshela straight because into enhle yancona. You right spot. Siyaphila nathi. Ulungisani bekhuluma naye. Bengajabula ukunazi. Andis. Lindi. Oh, ngiyajabula ukunazi. Bengafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe uma sidibane phinde sixoxe kamnandi kanje Lindiwe. Yeah. Ekahlahle welindiwe bengize kuwe Mendezo.
You know the thing? You know what I'm saying with this guy? I think the problem is that he doesn't have enough game to approach
Fuck game. I don't have game.
No, I'm saying he doesn't have enough game to approach two women at the same time. I think he should focus on one woman. Because here's the thing.
But no matter what game. No, I'm not game. But this is nonsense.
No, the thing is, girls, when you approach girls that are in a group,
if we need tactic, you have to be witty.
They both have to like you.
Exactly.
They both have to like you.
Because low money, fanele akwazi ukukunika chance. Because low one bakanganika umngani chance, you are fucked.
Because even with the other ones, they were all literally in the.
Exactly. Bobabili bekufusekisa.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, ngize kwe straight. Ngizokwazisa nje.
Aren't we all?
Ukuthi bethu indlela ongichaza ngayo mfethu. Like ngiyakhalela message.
Ngiyakhalela. Nkosi yami.
Yeah. Into nje engakwenza yona emphatheni.
Ha! He said, fuck it. He said, Yazid, if I'm going to fail at the greatest heights. Oh,
Nkosi yami.
Umbisa kwesizwa kwaba qeda ufuna ukumgqilaza. My sister, empathy. Like, whoa.
Jesus, my guy.
Whoa.
Ngixolisa ukukhuluma kanje. Kodwa nje
if you're gonna act like you have the dog in you, just go like that, like forever. How?
Halele message.
Rasha, this your orders.
Indaba. Nge-right kakhulu.
She's not.
Ngi-right kakhulu my
He's
sister.
not.
Ngi-serious. Ungixolele mhlampe uma kuhlale kabi kuwena kodwa
Hlala kanjani kahle ukhuluma ngemibhede. Into hlala kanjani kahle?
awuyazi nje. Ngicela old number yakho my sister.
No, tell him to fuck off, please. Please.
Ngiyadlalela nezo.
Udlala
U-YouTube lo.
always saying
Ngicela
things.
nibo lokungani.
Sivela ku-YouTube space lapho. Hayi bo.
Ngenivele.
Oh, D-Show gang. If you made it this far, I love you.
No, bro. I mean, I can think I issue. I'm choosing to keep quiet.
Distro, you guys are finally consistent somewhat. That's good, gents. Let's keep going. Please, guys, please like, subscribe, follow us on TikTok. Almost at 10K there. Yeah, we'll see you next time, guys.